So there are three possibilities why you might have neck tension. So it is very important when you practice back rowing to really make sure you are going to align. It's very important to learn how to properly use your shoulder girdle actually. When doing back rowing theory, some of you are mentioning that you sometimes feel tension on your neck. I want to clarify this point. So there are three possibilities why you might have neck tension. The first one is breathing. When breathing improperly, it's possible that you can create unnecessary tension on your neck. By using accessory muscles instead of using the diaphragm and the core muscles, it's possible that you put too much tension on your neck area. The second possibility would be alignment. So it is very important when you practice back rowing to really make sure you are going to align, in fact, your neck, because often the cervical spine must follow the line of the thoracic spine. So if you are doing, for example, back rowing round back here, we are going to start into a neutral spine, then pulling the ropes toward the sternum and exhaling to draw the spine into a full flexion. So my neck is not anymore here or there. I am careful here to create a nice cervical flexion. So it's all about knowing how to place your neck in the space. So thinking about if the thoracic spine is into a flexion, the cervical will follow the same. So think about a cervical node, like if you said yes, and then don't move your neck anymore. It's very important. The third possibility also is while doing this exercise, I see the common mistakes that people tend to elevate their shoulders. So it's all about scapular stabilization. You need to know how to stabilize your shoulder joint. So when you are doing this exercise, be very careful to keep your shoulders actually away from the ears and to feel some kind of clipping here, like two wings, like if you would be a bird, Feel the clip, lengthen up, inhale, and as you exhale, use your abdominals and your hip extensors here to flex the spine. Keeping your shoulders away from the ears. So be careful not to elevate or to protract or even retract. So it's very important to learn how to properly use your shoulder girdle actually. I hope this will help.